On one lonely hill, 2 men were guilty, but 3 men were killed, and 3 men were buried, and 2 more